Ever wonder why successful people wake up early? Yeah, there's a famous English saying about this. The early bird gets the worm teaches powerful lessons about timing and success. Today, you're mastering this classic expression plus vocabulary about productivity and deadlines. Let's jump in. Part 1. Listening Practice. Listen to this conversation about work habits and time management. Rachel, you consistently submit your reports ahead of schedule. What's your secret? It's straightforward, really. The early bird gets the worm. I begin working immediately when projects arrive. Seriously? I typically procrastinate until deadlines approach. I perform better under time constraints, I think. Perhaps, but starting promptly allows me to review and refine everything. Plus, I avoid unnecessary anxiety. That's actually logical. Maybe I should attempt beginning earlier next assignment. Definitely try it. You'll probably discover it's less stressful than frantically rushing at deadlines. Part 2. Vocabulary time. Let me explain these productivity and success expressions. First, assignment. A task or project given by teachers, bosses, or clients. Example, she completed her marketing assignment 2 days early. Next, the early bird gets the worm, a proverb meaning those who start early gain advantages and opportunities. Like, he arrives at job interviews 30 minutes early because the early bird gets the worm. Then, pressure. Stress or urgency to accomplish something, often with time constraints. For instance, athletes perform well under championship pressure. Also, ahead of schedule, completing something before the expected deadline. Example, the construction finished ahead of schedule surprisingly. Finally, frantically, acting in a rushed, anxious, or panicked manner, like she frantically searched for her passport before the flight. Grammar note. The early bird gets the worm is a fixed proverb. We never change its form. Incorrect, the early birds get worms. Always use the singular form exactly as shown. Oh, repetition is crucial. Watch this multiple times and practice aloud. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Answer these questions confidently. Does Rachel submit reports late? No, she doesn't. She submits them ahead of schedule. Who finishes assignments early? Rachel does. Rachel consistently finishes early. What expression does Rachel use? The early bird gets the worm. When does Rachel start working? Immediately. She begins when projects arrive. Does Michael start early? No, he doesn't. He typically procrastinates until deadlines. What does Michael say about pressure? He performs better under it. Why does Rachel start early? To review and avoid anxiety. Starting early allows refinement. Does Rachel feel stressed? No, she doesn't. She avoids unnecessary anxiety. Does Michael think Rachel's method is logical? Yes, he does. He says it's actually logical. What will Michael try? Beginning earlier. He'll attempt starting earlier next time. What does Rachel encourage? Try it. She says, definitely try it. What will Michael discover? Less stressful than rushing. It's less stressful than frantically rushing. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Rachel, you consistently submit your reports ahead of schedule. What's your secret? Seriously? I typically procrastinate until deadlines approach. I perform better under time constraints, I think. That's actually logical. Maybe I should attempt beginning earlier next assignment. It's straightforward, really. The early bird gets the worm. I begin working immediately when projects arrive. Perhaps, but starting promptly allows me to review and refine everything. Plus, I avoid unnecessary anxiety. Definitely try it. You'll probably discover it's less stressful than frantically rushing at deadlines. Excellent work today. The early bird gets the worm is timeless wisdom about success and planning. Native speakers use this to encourage proactive behavior and early starts. It applies to work, studies, travel, shopping, and countless situations. Early action creates advantages. Practice until automatic. Watch this daily. And remember, success often belongs to those who start early. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep learning these wisdom-filled proverbs, stay proactive, and your English will sound both fluent and wise. See you next time. Keep growing.